Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can plan meetings using Microsoft 365 Copilot. So ladies and gentlemen, Copilot is really moving with the time. So what we need to do is dial in copilot.microsoft.com. Make sure that you're signed in. So the bottom left-hand side, you'll be able to sign in right over there. And here we are going to paste in a prompt like this. Summarize my last month's conversation with and an email address that you'd like to have that summarization for. Generate a to-do list and give me a 30-minute meeting agenda. Now, of course, this will be able to be changed. You need to take this prompt and you need to just customize it to your own needs. Now we can go ahead and say send. Now, if you're sending it and it's giving you this response, okay, you'll now need to allow Copilot to connect with Gmail. So go ahead and click on connect. Okay. Here we're going to click on continue to Gmail. You will have to just sign in so that you can verify your account. If you have two-factor authentication on your account, you'll have to just go ahead and authorize that as well. And you can see all of the services that they have access to. And now Microsoft Copilot is connected to Gmail, and now it's going to be able to look through my emails and tell me what it is that I need. So right over here, moving forward, this is what we need to do. All we need to do is say yes. Let's do that. Now you can see it's going to give me a summary of my conversation. It's also going to give me a to-do list based on unresolved items or our next steps, and then a focused 30-minute agenda to help me take action. Here you can see everything that I need. And obviously, the more details you put in here, the more detailed response you will get. And this is a fantastic way to prepare for your meetings.